Good morning, everyone. Paul here. I got my morning tea. I'm ready to do some work. Today, I am going to do something. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to try to do it. I might break something. That's what the Paw does. All right? Let me show you what I plan on doing. In this bag is going to change the way we can get in and out of this camper. Check this out. As you can see, we got 3 steps. Now, in some cases, this is perfect, right? Like now, it's not hitting the ground. But in some cases, it's not perfect. You'll get some unlevel ground, and we've had this, whereas this bottom step sits like this. So then I'd have to take my shovel, dig it out, and then when we leave, we'd have to fill in the holes. Sometimes it's unable to dig it out. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Come on under here. Right here is a pivot. This is a stop for this step. As you can see right here, it pivots up, and that's a stop. Well, that's a rivet. Let me show you the inside of it. Maybe we can get a better look at it from here. See that? And there's one on each side. Let's get started. I need that. Well, let's get a little focus here. Got that done. Got that pin in. Now, let's see. It folds up. Still folds in. Got this pin. We got this pin. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut that pin. I'm gonna cut that pin right there with my thumb on this hole. Round off that edge. Round it off. And I'm gonna keep that other hole right there just in case I need it. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna cut that right there and leave an extra hole. Alright, well, as you can see, that kind of worked out. Yeah, I got 3 steps when I needed. And again, they had them rivets in here, which made this 3rd step permanent. Alright, so when I get to a campground and it's not level, sometimes that step came up here. Okay, that was up here, and that's quite dangerous. So now, it still folds up. All right, I got these pins in here, okay, which I'll show you now. Because all I have to do is pop these 2 pins out, okay. Pop these pins out like so. Take these washers off. Don't lose them because you're going to need them. Set them aside. Well, play with it a little bit. Push this in here, put the washer back on. Make sure you put that clip pin in there. Don't lose these washers. That's a Teflon washer that helps it slide. Put that pin in there. Now, I could just take this, stow it away, put it in the back of my truck. I have 2 steps, so if the ground is not level, I can take this off and I don't have to dig out the ground. And just as easy, pop them pins back off, put them back in place when you need it. Or I don't even have to, because now I can just stow that away just like that without the step. And whenever I need the step, I can just put it on. But I'm going to put it on, and that's a wrap. It actually worked. I got all my fingers, didn't get hurt, and it actually works. Hey, make sure you subscribe, because I got more tips and hacks coming out. I hope this works for you. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and leave something in the comment if you like it, or if you've done something similar. All right, thanks for watching Adventures with Pawpaw.